To view your assignment, select View Assignment from the main menu. The green plus sign on the left gives you an overview of the loads in that assignment. If you're at a location without a kiosk, you may also print out your assignment sheet by pressing the Print button in this overview. Once you select Print, you'll be taken to the Print PDF file screen, and here you will select Print again. Once your print has completed, you may select the Back button and then click OK to return to the application. Once you have found the assignment you are looking for, you can click the arrow to view it. In here, you will see your VINs, makes, models, origin information, and destination information, along with bay locations if this is an OEM load. You can use pinch to zoom to get a better view of bay locations. You can also print from this screen by selecting Print in the top right. After finish viewing the assignment sheet, you select Back, and it will be taken back to the previous screen, and then back again to go to the main menu. To start Origin, select Origin in the main screen. The green button again will allow you to have an overview of the loads you have available. Once you have found the load that you're doing Origin on, you can select the arrow to enter it. In here you will be shown a list of VINs that are available for this load. If you swipe to the right, you can get more information on this load. You can also get more information by selecting Details for each vehicle. To scan a vehicle at Origin, select Barcode, and then make sure you select the VIN that is located either in the door jamb or in the windshield. It will then populate the VIN in the top box. Here you can click Add to add the car to your load. It will automatically take you to the inspection. In the inspection screen, you can inspect the right side, the left side, and also input other information such as missing SD cards. In order to input a damage, you would select the part on the vehicle. Here you can input the part that is damaged, the damage type, and then the severity of the damage, and then click Save. It is suggested to take an image of the damage. If you select the eyeball on the damage listed, you would then be taken to the Attach Image screen. Here you would select the camera, and then it would allow you to take a picture of the damage. Please use the scale that is located on your AIAG card when taking a photo of the damage. You can also attach a note by putting a description in the box underneath the image. To take a second picture of a damage, you select the right arrow. You can also leave a note for this, and you are allowed to take up to 2 images per damage. If you input a damage incorrectly, you are able to remove it by selecting the trash can to delete the damage. This will also remove the icon on the image, signifying that there was a damage. If you are familiar with the AIAG codes, you are able to manually input them in the Manual tab. Here you are able to input 2-digit code for location, 2-digit code for type, 1-digit code for severity, and then how many of those damages there are by entering a number for quantity. In area, you can select right, left, other, or interior, and then select Add. It will then populate the damages underneath. If you need to take a picture or remove one, you can select the eyeball or trash can, just like in this previous screen. After all damages have been inputted on both screens, you can then select to save them. You will then be asked for the vehicle position on the truck, and if you drove it on or reversed it on. You will now see a green checkbox signifying that this vehicle has been inspected. If you need to scan a vehicle with a 2D barcode, you can select Enable Square 2D when scanning the vehicle. In the event you need to drop and add a vehicle, be sure to highlight the correct VIN and then select Drop Car. Here you will be asked why you are dropping the vehicle. In the event that the vehicle is damaged, always put a description on why the vehicle was damaged and not taken. This will allow us to verify the damage and return the vehicle if needed. You will then be prompted if you would like to replace this vehicle with another unit. If you select yes, you will be given the oldest vehicle that is available for that location. In the lower portion of the screen, you can see the VIN, make, model, year, and also bay location. If you're unable to take the vehicle because it will not fit, can't find, damaged, or is locked by another driver, you are allowed to select Skip. Here you will be asked why you're not taking the vehicle. After you have skipped the vehicle, you will be given the next oldest vehicle in line. If you find that you can take the vehicle before you hunt down the vehicle, you must select Lock. This will lock the vehicle to you for 30 minutes, preventing the dispatcher from being able to dispatch this vehicle or another driver from being able to add it to their load if they're going to the same location. You'll also notice that the Add button is no longer grayed out. You must select Lock in order to unlock the Add button. After you have scanned the vehicle, it will be listed in the top section where you can select Inspection and conduct your inspection just like in the previous screens. If there are no damages at origin, you are able to select No Visible Damage. After your inspection is complete, you are able to select Done. You will now see that it has been added in replacement to the vehicle that has been dropped, and it is already inspected. If the origin or destination requires a fax or an email, select the fax or email button in the bottom left. Here you can input the information for the person requesting the fax or email. After you've completed inputting all the information, you can select OK, and then receipt the vehicle. In the top section, you will place your name and sign stating that this is the condition the vehicles were picked up in. Once you press OK, the system will automatically start the upload. If it has uploaded successfully, it will prompt you stating so. You can then hit the back button twice to return to the main menu. Always refresh your handheld before and after an origin or destination. In order to start a destination, select Destination from the main menu. Again, on the left side, you'll be able to get an overview by pressing the green button. Once you've found the destination you are selecting, select the arrow key for that load. When at destination, you are able to print out a dealer checklist by selecting DC Print. The dealer checklist is not a delivery receipt and does not have any damages marked or signatures, so it cannot be used to turn in for claims. Once you are at the destination, and only when you are at the destination, are you allowed to select I am at destination. This will collect the GPS of your handheld and of your truck to verify how far you are from the destination location. If you are more than half a mile away from the destination, you will be given a prompt asking if you want to deliver here and to confirm that you are at the correct location. Once the checkbox is filled in and you have answered that question, you are able to scan the vehicles out. There is no wait time between scans, so you are able to consecutively scan each vehicle out and then select Add. You will now notice that the VIN is in the lower box, with no inspection attached. You are only to do inspections if a damage is found at destination. Then you will select the VIN and conduct the inspection for that vehicle. You will notice now that after the inspection is completed, there is a green checkbox. After the person receiving the vehicles has completed their inspection and you have inputted the damages they have found, you can then select fax and email and then do a destination POD. If all the vehicles have not had an inspection attached, you will be prompted if the remaining vehicles are subject to inspection. If no one is at destination, you may select Yes. If someone has inspected the vehicles, select No. You will then be prompted again if the remaining vehicles are free of transport damage. Here you will input their name and get their signature. After they have signed, you can press OK and it will automatically start the upload. You will then be prompted if the upload was successful. After the signature has been completed and the OK button has been pressed, you can now press the print button located to the left of the VINs. This will print out the delivery receipt complete with any destination damages and origin and destination signatures. You may then select back twice to go to the main menu and refresh your handheld. After you have refreshed, the load will no longer be under you.